if you are a Samsung user and you want to customize your phone like that, so this is the right video for you. So in this video I like to share you guys how to customize your phone like this. I am Shadat from Shadat'S Dayout. So guys, let's start the video. So at first open the BootLocker application, then click Home app, next Task Manager. Next you have to turn on in use this option, and here you can get 5 layout. Number 1, list. Number 2, grid. Number 3, hashtag.
I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots.
Number 4, vertical list.
Lots and pop off a big shot.
And number 5, slim list.
Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top?
And here you also find more customization option, and you also turn off recommended apps. This look more better. So this is all about today video. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like and share and sub the channel. See you to another video. I am Shadat from Shadat'S Dayout. Allah Hafiz.